What is up, guys? We are in Frankfurt and we're with the Greek team who are the influencers from DeWALT, and we're going to Denmark, to Billund, to, let's say, it's not like a trade show. They're only gathering like influencers and sponsored drivers there to show like the new tools, new marketing tools and whatever. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take you along the ride as much as possible. It's gonna be a little bit hard because I'm making content also in Greek for Instagram, but also I'm gonna be vlogging for you on the GoPro. So anyway, yeah.
On the ground floor, and what you holding up the wall, standing around for? Call up my people and I know what they down for. We can stay up all night long, land home around 4.
I used to be working in Denmark before in Horsens and Narcos, so for me the weather is like okay-ish, is nothing more. And I'm from Estonia, so for me it's quite well.
Who's there? Yeah. First name, put your last hands in the air. Yeah, yeah. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there? First name, put your hands in the air.
Okay, I just got a knock on the door and we got some goodies to check out, a backpack and stuff like this. So let's unbox them and see what we got.
Raise them up to the sky, never let them low. Only thought you should know. Hands held high, raise them up to the sky, never let them low. Go, go, go. I'm independent, I write them into my pen. If you want to party tonight, put them in the air like a pennant. I blow with the breeze, flow with the ease and eat all my spinach. I'm cold, I'm low in degrees, I can freeze a fiend in a minute. Demeaning rappers to me is too easy, need a new image. So many biters around, I should quit and become a dentist. Anyways, if you're feeling tight from your 9 to 5 and want to cut loose and take a kind of ride.
So we're off to the Experience Center now. Good morning everyone, it's day 2 from the trip. And the team here. So there's like a gyro inside of it? Gyro, yeah. Okay, so it stops working when it feels like it's off.
Especially with the larger bits, there's multiple steps. It's much easier to start the hole. Yeah.
So we're finished from the DeWALT Experience Center, let's say. We did our part today with the automotive parts mostly, and the grinders and everything like this. We saw some new stuff that are coming. We saw some stuff we need to add to the workshop. So yeah, tomorrow there is another day, something else is waiting for us, we're not sure. Probably like we're gonna build ramps for the athlete who is going to jump over them, I don't know, but anyway, yeah, that's it for the Experience Center. There was not much into fabrication stuff because we couldn't grind or do something like sparking inside here, otherwise there is a risk of fire.
Κτίνας.
Εντάξει, το έχουμε.
Εντάξει.
Μοναδική παρουσίαση, γωνία εξόδου 60 μοίρες. Οκ. Άρα δεν τα και τα εργαλεία.
Αφού το είπες ο πιλότος.
Ελπίζω να έχει ξαναφάει, να μην είναι η πρώτη του λέει.
Ποιο?
Ελπίζω να έχει ξαναφάει το πιλότος, δεν είναι η πρώτη του.
Μας το κεράσει, θέλει κάτι που σημάδι.
So we are here on an assignment. This is day 2. We have to build using our tools. We have to build a ramp for Brendan. He's gonna like jump it tomorrow or today, I don't know for sure. And we have to freestyle build a ramp for him in whatever way is possible, whatever we want. We choose a design and we choose the structure of it. So this is from yesterday, from the other teams from the other countries. So they're doing some homework to see what and how to do.
4 είναι το τελικό κάτω, αλλά δεν έχει βάλει τέταρτο. Τέταρτο δεν έχει βάλει. Άρα αυτοί τι έχουνε? Ναι,
ούτε κουτί
δεν κέρδισα.
20 προς πίσω. Αυτό το τετράγωνο, υποτίθεται τετράγωνο, και άμα έχουμε αυτά εδώ, ας πούμε.
Περίμενε, πάτε εδώ. Άρα φτάσουμε εδώ από τη άλλη. Σωστά. Αυτό δεν βλέπω.
Ναι, πρέπει να φανταστείς ότι είναι τετράγωνο. Ένα τετράγωνο πρέπει να φανταστείς. Και να πιάσεις μια τελεία να πιάσεις και να μετρήσεις.
Μήπως να κάνουμε το χιαστείο. Αν βγει μέσα, για να...
Πασχάλη.
Πασχάλη, τέλος.
Πασχάλη, τέλος.
Το κάναμε.
Ανεβείτε. Ανεβείτε πάνω. Ανεβείτε πάνω στο καλοκαίρι.
Έλα, είναι ωραίο.
Φα και μπαπ, πέφτει όλο.
Έλα, βγάλε.
Να δω και τους άλλους.
Κάτσε σκοτεισούσα.
Τι γυναίκα σου ρε.
Πάμε να φέρετε τον Γκρις, ρε. Γκρις.